Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download and install the AliExpress application on your PC. So let's get started right away. Now, since there is no specific PC version for AliExpress, you will need to install the web browser version. Open up your web browser first, and then in the address bar type in aliexpress.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official AliExpress website. Now, while you will see the Download AliExpress app option at the top section, this is only for the iOS and Android devices. You can log into your account if you wish to do so by clicking on the Sign In button at the top right corner and proceeding with your credentials. Once you are logged in order to install the application, tap on the three dots at the top right corner of your web browser and then hover over to Apps. You will then find the Install this site as an app option. Just click on this option, and if you're using Chrome, you will simply need to hover over to the Save and Share option. From there, you will find the same option to install the site as an application. After clicking on it, you can rename the application whatever you wish, and you can also edit the app icon if you wish to do so. Finally, click on the Install button, and now this will open up the AliExpress within its own separate browser window. Make sure to choose Create Desktop Shortcut and then click on the Allow button. And now you will see the AliExpress application shortcut on your desktop. You can simply double click on this in order to open it up. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to install the AliExpress application on your PC. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.